Hey guys, it's Chuck Grove with Foraging Truth, and guess what I just found? I found Eurasian woods garlic. Yes, I have a lot of videos on bear's garlic or ramps. This, being close to the very highest point in the Appalachian Mountains in Pennsylvania, is a big thing because this means that your ramps are up, and I don't want you to miss them. So this is the first report for the 2025 season from Foraging Truth. And we have woods garlic, bear's garlic, Eurasian broadleaf garlic, all these different names, same plant. You can actually use these greens. I actually enjoy using these greens in a lot of soups, and you can dry them, make your own seasoning. You can do all kinds of things with these, and it's very healthy for you. Make sure you check out all of the healthy benefits from eating from the wild, especially right now. So, they are up. This is the first sighting for me, being, like I said, in the closest or the highest elevation here in the Appalachian Mountains. So, this is a very, very awesome thing. So, very soon, we will be having a bunch of videos coming out, plus a podcast. Finally, we're going to be doing a podcast. So, and here's the location you're going to want to be looking in, near stream bottoms. You know, anything with a high amount of water. And around those, you should be finding a lot of bear's garlic. So, get out and find your ramps. This is Chuck Grove with Foraging Truth, and you remember, always keep foraging. That's right.